Hello, I welcome you to Basano Studio. So today we are scouting on Facebook House Library, from Facebook House Library to Gmail. So how we can scout our Shopify buyer there easily without having any stress. So following the process, let's join it. So these are the extensions we'll be using. We'll be using email extractor, link grab, and multiple URL opener. We are using that. So firstly, let's go to Facebook House Library. This Facebook House Library. You come to your Facebook House Library. I pray we have good network. So this is Facebook House Library. This is the interface of Facebook House Library. But you just need to come to the search as your country. You can choose the country you want. Maybe you want to scout Australia, you want to scout UK, US, Canada, Brazil, anyone you like out of your choice. Be on your schedule time or the time of scouting. Like by this time of night, at night, mostly I usually scout US in the night, UK in the morning to afternoon, like that. Brazil and Australia, it depends on time. I used to scout my buyers. So I'm using United Kingdom today. I'm using United Kingdom. So categories, all as category. My keyword, I'm using my Shopify.com as well. That is it. It will bring you to this page where it will show the laboratory as library. And then the other time, I think I talked about low impression counts as the other time, but this video is not for the low impression count as. So let us go back to our business. So you come to filter. This filter. You come to filter. So filter is come to your filter. The only thing I'm doing here is the platform is already on all platforms, but if I need only Facebook, it will show me. But now I'm going to the date for the hours, the starting date. I'm using today as the people that run as today. So I'm using 6/1/2026. So that is my filter date. You see it? You see that is the filter date. I've applied the filter. It will show me some stores. So I need to just scroll down. If it's before that I just want to scout, I just click on the name of the store sponsored. But I'm not doing that. I just need to extract all the URLs of the stores there. So you will load it where it depends on how much you need the URL. So it's okay like this for the practical. Come to your extension installed. So you come to link grab. So extract URL by filtering. No, I'm not using by filtering. By filtering, it will show you only Facebook page alone. It will show you only Facebook page. But let's open it. It's where else? Let's open. Or let's do something else. Let's do filter by. You see, it's still the same thing. So you will highlight everything, copy everything. Go to your system notepad, paste the URL there. The total URL I generate there is 160 store URL of Facebook page. So I will go back there to just copy it up. I'm not in need of this one again. So the only thing I need now is to select the one I'm scouting first. So let me just select like 10 to 20 store for the samples. So this is 11 stores. Ctrl X, cut it. Then you come back to your extension. You will come to this multiple mail open. You paste your URL there. So I'm open 11 URL. So the URLs are already open. This is it. It open you to the store, not Facebook. It open you to the store. So how do you want to generate the store URL, the store Gmail? Go back to your email grab. You see? So there's no email yet. So go to the policy of the store. Then you see at the top here, if the email is already grabbed, you show that email is already grabbed. So I'm not in need of this page again. You go to another store, go there, go to privacy and policy. So you will extract all the email in the store. You extract all the emails. Go to privacy and policy. The same way you do on PPSpy. You extract the store URL. So the Gmail, you only need the Gmail here. You want to send them message through Facebook, that one is different. But I'm not sending them through Facebook. I'm only sending message through Gmail alone. So I'm sending message through Gmail alone. Just try to stay with me. can stay with me. So this one take you to the Instagram page. So I'm not in need of Instagram page. For people that scout through Instagram, you can go and scout on Instagram, but I'm not scouting this on Instagram. I only need the store URL. So terms and conditions. You come. Is that if you don't see policy and privacy, you see terms and conditions, you will surely see one of it. It's still the same thing. It's still the same thing. You see the link, the email is copying. You see, it's copy. So if you are scouting 100 stores from this place in a day, 50 stores in a day, so you will surely get your response. Everyone can't pay you at once, but you will see your response. See, this is the email, but I still want to confirm well if there is other email there. So that is to email through this website. So I don't think this store has privacy and policy. Just go to the catalog like this. Come to the catalog like you want to purchase something. Just check out. Before checkout. This is not available. This product is not available. So all the product this man have in the store is not available. So the only thing I just have to do is to just ignore the store and find something else to do with my life. You see, this one take you to Facebook. That Facebook already has issue. So I'm done with that. So I want to copy the email. I extract this email. I extract, copy it, cancel it, then take it to wherever you want to send the message from. Maybe send it to your Telegram, or your Facebook, your WhatsApp. Go there and scout the Gmail. Send them the approach message like that. But I will do the same video on how I scout them immediately after I copy the Gmail through my Telegram now. So see you next. This is the mail. I will just click on the mail. Click on the mail to take me to Gmail. Let's wait for it to open. So I'm not using the mini email. So let me find the email. You find the email you want to use. Come. So I'm using Amina Digital, info.amina Digital. So put it there. Hello. It does how you can write any content. I don't know the content you are using. So I'm using. So this is what I'm using to scout. Hello, just wondering how I actually place an order right now. Is your store available or active for shopping? That is all. Simple. Then send the buyer message. Send the message. So thank you for watching. Thank you for joining the family. See you in the next video. Like and subscribe. I love you all. We shall all achieve a lot.